I'm here to take video of little Harry. He thinks he's got a toy, but I think that's a color. Harry. Oh, it is. It's not a color. It's a ball. What you got? What you got, Harry? Yep, I see you. You're already adopted. Watch it. There's little Harry. Hey. Hello. I'm going to take video of you. You're so cute. He likes to play with toys. He's trying to pick up two at one time. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are, little Harry. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Look at you with your little facey face. Look at that little girl boy. Yeah, he's just a happy. I want to take some video of him. Whoops. You got this big boy here. Hard to do anything with a big boy. Really hard. What you got? What you got? Huh? What you got, little Harry? You're just a cute little boy. You won't be here long. No, you won't. But anyway, this is little Harry. He's like an older puppy. Little boy. He loves to play and have fun. Wag his tail. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yes, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that little face. Oh, he's just wagging his tail. Yes. 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 Go get it. Go get it. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hello.